Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Asando from LisaSimo Cleaning Service, the healing movement, transforming spaces, transforming lives. It was 2024 when life forced me to start again. I got retrenched with no backup plan. One day I picked up a broom, a bucket, and a sunlight dishwashing liquid, joining the guys on the street washing cars. It wasn't glamorous, it was survival. But in that grind, I discovered discipline, strength, and a new vision. That's how LisaSimo was birthed, from desperation to determination, from washing tires on the pavement to building an eco-friendly brand that empowers people to rise above setbacks. LisaSimo is proof that even when you are pushed to the edge, you can create something powerful, sustainable, and inspiring. Subscribe for eco-friendly hacks, empowerment routines, and motivational practices. LisaSimo, born from resilience, built for empowerment. See you on the next one.